Hey Glamfam, my name is Josie and today we're going to be going in and talking about beginner's makeup and how to do makeup if you are a beginner. Which leads me to the sponsor of this video, which is Online Makeup Academy, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be working with them to bring you guys some awesome information. First off, if you don't know what Online Makeup Academy is, it is a website that does courses for makeup artists. If you are someone that really wants to get into maybe doing makeup like I did, this is a great program for that. You come out at the end of all your courses with a certificate that states that you have completed the makeup courses to do makeup on people, and also helps you become eligible for a discount card for pro makeups. Some of the brands that this includes is NYX, Friends Beauty, Nigel, Beauty Blender, Inglot, Makeup Forever, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and more, which is freaking awesome. Having a pro card can save you so much money on the products that you purchase for your business. The class that I am referring to is called the Masterclass. Masterclass includes creative beauty and editorial as well. You learn so much through this course, and honestly, it is very, very personal. When I signed up, I actually got a video sent from the instructor, personalized to me. It was a great motivation for myself. They have everything from beginner skills to advanced makeup artist skills and everything in between. Here's the kicker, and probably the best thing about this online course. You get personalized feedback. Yeah, you heard me right. You actually get to learn what you're doing good at, what you need to work on. That is so important when you are developing your skills as a beginner or as an advanced makeup artist. They are the only school that provides personal mentorship, and it's very important when it comes to makeup to get that. Mentorship is done through video, so you can pretty much take this course anywhere you want. Online Makeup Academy allows you to pay month by month, which is a huge deal breaker when it comes to online classes because so many, even schools, require a big portion of what you're going to be spending for your whole entire course before you even start it. And you also get help after you graduate, and that is so, so, so important. I have been taking this course now for a few weeks, and I can tell you that the classes that you watch are very professional and very well put together, and the instructors are on point, and I absolutely love all of them. They really teach you everything that you need to know, whether you're a beginner or an advanced artist. And also they track how much progress you've been doing, which is really, really nice when you're trying to get, the courses done. For the last part of the sponsorship, we are working together to give you guys a discount. So you guys, if you sign up with the link below or use the code below, you will get $100 off of your courses. All in all, guys, I think the Online Makeup Academy is a great way to get certified as a makeup artist, and I love the selection of classes that they offer, and the program is super easy to follow and well worth it, in my opinion. So if you guys are planning on joining me in this course, let me know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, I will answer them there as well. I will link everything you need to know about Online Makeup Academy down below, as well as their website, which is www.onlinemakeupacademy.com. Super easy to remember. And I hope you guys will enjoy them as much as I do. So, without further ado, let's get into this beginner's makeup. Hey guys, I'm Josie, and today we're gonna go in and show you guys a very basic, very beginner friendly makeup look. I have done my base already, so my foundation and bronzer is on, and we're gonna focus on the other elements of the face. So the first step that I like to do is go in with an eye primer. This is the P. Louise base, and it is absolutely amazing, and I really, really love this one. This one is Rumor 2. I like to just take a little bit on my finger and just dab this on to my eye. Also, make sure your hands are clean for this step. There we are, base is on, and we are just going to very lightly tap on some translucent powder. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is my favorite powder out there because it's just so finely milled. We're gonna take a little bit on a sponge, and we are just going to very lightly set this base. The first color we're going to be going in with is this medium tone taupey brown color. We are going to take that on a blending brush. This is a Morphe M513, one of my favorite blending brushes. We're going to take a little bit of that color and we're just going to go in and start to blend. We're going to be very, very gentle, and you always want to start off with a small amount of product. You can always put product on, much harder to take it away. This is going to be our base color for the eye look. Since this is beginner friendly, we're only going to be using 2 shades. In the classes that I mentioned in the beginning, guys, you get so many classes that help you know the terms of the beauty world and also how to present yourself for that atmosphere, which is actually something I wish I learned about when I went to school for cosmetology. Then, just to make sure that we are blending flawlessly, I really like going in with translucent powder just where that shade is blending out beneath the brow. Pop some of that on and then blend it out even further. All right, then we're gonna go in with our shimmer shade. I'm not sure if I showed you this, but the palette I'm working with today is by Sephora. They're the Sephora Pros. You can get these in many color schemes, and this is actually what I use for my freelance kit because they have so many and there's so many colors in them. We're gonna be going in with this shade right here, and it's kind of like a bronzy pink, and we're going to just pop this on to our eyelid. We're gonna also use a more dense brush for this. The center of the eye out, since I kind of want this to be kind of the star of the show. We want the shiniest part to be in the center of the eye, so right there. Once you have the amount that you like on, you're gonna go back in with that blending brush and just blend just the edge of that shimmer out. To make this extremely poppy, I like to go in with my finger and just dab this on the center of the eyelid. See how it's just a little bit more bright? Then we're going to take the flat brush that we have been using, and I'm just going to run this in my color switch. Takes the excess shadow off, so we can go in with another color. If you guys would like to see these, I will link one in the description below. Oh, a lifesaver. I love them so much. We're gonna take that first color that we used as our transition shade, and we're just gonna run this underneath our eyes. After we have the product placed down, I'm gonna go in again with the blending brush and just blend out the edge. So now we can move on to eyeliner. So the easiest way that I like to do eyeliner for beginners is just a simple smoked out little line on the top. So you're gonna take your kohl liner and you're going to lightly trace in your waterline up against your lashes. Very lightly trace the edge along this eye. You want this to be as thin as you can get it because, again, we're gonna go in and blend this out a bit. And honestly, I'm not even gonna go all the way in. There we go. Now what we're gonna do is, a lot of eyeliners that you see come with this blender on the edge. You can also buy brushes like this, but a lot of kohl liners come with them already. We're gonna go in and just blend this out. Sometimes it can be a little bit easier if you take a sponge and just very lightly pull on the edge of your eye. Nothing super dramatic here. And so we're just going to smoke this out. And then when you get here, you can also pull this out a little bit to create a little wing, but you do not have to do that. Just like so. To keep your eyes looking open, I like to go in with a white liner and just line underneath the eye with this. So now you can do one of two things: curl and just apply mascara, or you can add some falsies. I'm actually gonna add some falsies, so I'm going to curl my lashes and then put some mascara on. All right, lashes on. And now I'm gonna do the bottom lashes for mascara. Choose your lipstick. I'm gonna go with more of a pinky toned liquid lipstick. Very pretty. This is the Mentorship Sisters highlight from the Balm Cosmetics. Honestly, I'm not sure if they have this trio out anymore, but you can, I believe, purchase them separately. We're just going to take a little bit on a fluffy brush, but also dome-shaped. And we're just going to apply that to our cheekbones. And top of our lips. Please don't mind my freaking volcano on the side of my face. He was not invited. I don't know why he's here. And if you want to, you can also add a little bit of that highlight to your inner corners. So that is it for this beginner's makeup tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down there. And also, don't forget to go check out Makeup Academy. I will leave, once again, all of their information down in the description below. Sign up now and get your $100 off of your classes. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah.